Natural gas plunges right at the open, but does rally enough to fill the gap. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by FXEmpire, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The natural gas markets gapped lower to kick off the Monday session as we continue to see a lot of negativity. And you can see cooler U.S. summer temperatures undercut natural gas prices is one of the major headlines. That makes sense. I can assure you that the summer has had some very hot flashes occasionally, but overall, it hasn't been as bad as a lot of people had anticipated. Furthermore, you also have the situation where natural gas is pretty quiet this time of year as far as demand is concerned. Unless there is a heat wave, then you start to see natural gas demand pick up via electric demand. That being said, I do think that we could bounce a little bit further from here, and I look for signs of exhaustion to start shorting. A breakdown below the $2.85 level opens up a move down to the $2.50 level. And a rally from here, I think, struggles to get above $3.20. Recently, we've had the so-called death cross kickoff. That's when the 50-day EMA breaks down below the 200-day EMA, signaling a longer-term downtrend. I do think you can only read so much into that, though, because quite frankly, here in a couple months, we'll be focusing on the winter. And that, of course, will drive price up in the United States. It's a very cyclical market. And furthermore, you have to keep in mind that most of the demand in the natural gas futures comes from the United States. It's not even close because you are probably trading the Henry Hub contract, the most commonly quoted contract in the world. It's not even close, the exports, as far as what the demand in the northeastern part of the United States has as an influence. That being said, you could make an argument for a massive head and shoulders, which measures for a move to something like $1. I don't think that's going to be fulfilled, but certainly it looks very weak at this point, and certainly it looks like a market that you fade rallies that show signs of exhaustion. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.